welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. It's Saturday morning, 8 o'clock. We're heading off to go get gas. Gonna give just the wheels a quick rinse. The rest of the car's fine. And we're heading off to the BMW of Alberta season opener cruise. So there's a BMW of Alberta page on Facebook, and there's the Calgary guys, and then there's the Edmonton guys. So every year what we do is the Calgary guys meet at Cross Iron Mills here in Calgary, and then the Edmonton guys all meet at their specific place. And what we do is we cruise and meet in Sylvan Lake. It's kind of the halfway point. Beautiful scenery, and so we're gonna go meet the Calgary guys. We'll go for a cruise. I'll bring you guys along with me, and I'll show you when we get to Sylvan Lake what it looks like. It's a hot destination spot, especially for the summertime, because it is a lake and everyone gets to bring out their boats. So let's head to the car wash and gas station, and I will be back shortly. So, not a good start to the morning. Just too busy vlogging, talking to you guys, not paying attention, obviously, and we're getting a speeding ticket.
Oh, you filming?
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel.
Okay. So what I was going to do is I was going to give you a break. Okay. So
Awesome.
A reduction for the speed. Okay.
Okay.
Because like you said, you knew what you were doing, and you slowed down a bit, but not to the extent.
Yes.
Okay. So I think that deems worthy. Plus, you said you don't have any speeding tickets in a long time or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is give a violation ticket for 1 over. Okay. Okay, because you're honest. You took everything into account. You slowed down too, as soon as you knew you were going fast, and you did a little demonstration of your car, which is kind of cool. Yep. And like I said, you're a nice guy. You don't have any speeding tickets, so I don't want to ruin the good record that you got going for you.
Thank you.
I thought I'd give you a huge break. Usually we don't do 1 over.
Yeah, no, I really appreciate it.
You have until July 11th.
Okay.
And you have until that day to pick one of the options on the back. Okay. Okay?
I'll just pay you.
Okay. Drive safe.
Thank you, Ken. Okay. I'm okay to just...
I'll just stop traffic for you. Go ahead. Be safe, though.
Okay. Super nice cop. He gave me a break. He gave me 1 kilometer over, and I'll take it. I was doing more than the speed limit. We don't need to disclose that information, but when he pulled me over, he was like, "Can this car get any lower?" And I said, "Yeah. You want to see it get lower?" And I aired the car out, and he was just blown away. He's like, unreal. You know, he just kept saying, "Aren't you afraid of scraping? Aren't you afraid of scraping?" I was like, "No," because I went back up. But thanks to you, CPS, for doing your job. I do appreciate it. And I was speeding. There's nothing I can say. I can't dispute it. I'm just going to pay it. So now we're going to head off to the gas station, get gas, wash wheels, and then we'll head off to the Cross Iron. Let's go. Well, we made it out to the first meetings place, Cross Iron Mills. It's, as you can tell, it's pouring. The weather sucks. A few of the guys have decided to not come. They just don't want to risk something happened to their car. But the hardcore guys are here. We're just going to wait for a few more people, and then we're going to head out of here. And we'll start the cruise. So here's a few of the cars from Calgary. Got Jass's E90, Diego's, Another F30. Supa's M4. And here's Josh's brand new, new to him, E92 M3. Zach's 235. Yeah, so far pretty good turnout. We got another M4 coming, just rolling in right now, and we're just waiting for Hassan and a few other people, and then we'll head out of here, head to Sylvan, maybe grab some lunch and head home. So keep watching. We're gonna hit the road.
I've worked with Richardson Eddy before.
Well, it is absolutely pouring, but we're gonna send it. We're just gonna go. Apparently it is just cloudy in Sylvan, so fingers crossed that that's all it is. Absolutely pouring, but cars aren't made of sugar. We're fine. It's just super loud, and yeah, hopefully it's not doing this in Sylvan like the current weather report says. So we're getting close to Sylvan Lake now. It's been a pretty good cruise up, just nice and slow. We did the speed limit most of the way. The other part was actually below the speed limit because it was raining so hard. One issue that seems to be recurring is my front splitter is flapping in the wind again. So I tie wrapped it yesterday, but it's still flapping. I think I'm going to have to reshape it to create less of a resistance on the outer edges of the splitter, but so far so good. That's the only major issue. We've made it to Sylvan. I think the Edmonton guys are here as well, so I'll let you guys and introduce you all once we get parked and situated here. Seems to be a bit of traffic jam at the Sylvan Lake parking lot. So let's get parked and we'll give you guys a tour of the beautiful scenery here in Sylvan Lake and all the wicked cars. Here we are in Sylvan. We made it. Really good turnout. Bigger turnout than it was last year, and it was much nicer here. So scenery is incredible, and let's show you some of the cars. We'll just get back over there. I just come out to the shore and to look at all the water. That's enough of the water. Let's go back to the cars and the content that you guys have come to see. Well guys, we made it home almost in one piece. I taped the front splitter for the drive home, so you guys can see here, and I shaved the bottom of it off. I lost the bolt, so that's gone, and it's broken. I don't know if you see it right there. It's actually broke. I think I'm gonna have to pull it off and either make a new one out of a different material, and I'm actually gonna make it smaller. So I'm going to cut an inch off of this one and I'm going to make it smaller. I'm gonna have it come straight out from here and then curve with this front lip, just so there's less resistance on this, because thankfully I had this tape, but you can see it's pretty flimsy, so we'll do something else. We'll get it fixed up. But let me know what you guys thought of the cruise today. What was your favorite car? What was your favorite moment? It was pretty wet. It's pretty crazy. Good turnout in Sylvan. Glad to meet all the new faces. And please subscribe, like, comment below. But thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.